Hey everybody, for some reason I lost my connection there for a minute. This is Kim with Dudash Farms, and as I promised, I said we would go live this evening with what's for dinner at Dudash Farms. So I think we were gonna try to do this on Thursday nights, but that didn't work out so well because I now teach a class on Thursday nights. So we thought, what better time to do it than on Foodie Friday, right? So here we are, Foodie Friday, what's for dinner at Dudash Farms. And tonight, we're gonna be making a dish. It's a keto dish, actually. And I wanna thank Dena Watkins for giving us this recipe that we're gonna try tonight with some of our product. Dena, she works for the Shepard Inn in Dandridge, and by the way, the Shepard Inn is now open again, so if you guys want to go over there and have lunch with them one day, it would be fabulous. But tonight, we're going to make some egg roll in a bowl, and so I'm thinking that it might be pretty good. I've never had it, so this is the first for me too, but I do absolutely love Asian food, and so does Brian, so we're excited. Hey, Amy Schrader, we've got Steve Hollowell. So tonight, our dinner is keto egg roll in a bowl, and like I said, it must be really good because I have on my recipe here, it says A.K.A. Crack Slaw, so I'm thinking this must be pretty good stuff. But you can start this recipe with ground beef or ground pork. And so tonight we're going to make it with our Dudash Farms ground pork. So there's no seasoning to our pork. And so I've already taken a couple of steps here, and I have browned my ground pork. Hi, Kelly Campbell. And so what we take is a pound of ground pork, and we have taken a head of cabbage. Let me show you here. We got this out of our garden this morning, so I have shredded that up just like you would slaw. So we've got a medium-sized head of cabbage, and then we took a medium-sized onion and I sliced it up really thin also. And I have already put that in with my, my ground pork, and so it has browned. And then what I'm gonna do, we take a tablespoon of sesame oil, and we put that in with our ground pork and our onion. And by the way, I will post this recipe, so you don't have to write all this down. I'm a little bit probably going to be like Julia Child. I've never done this before, so this is new for all of us, right? So I've taken my sesame oil, my onion, my ground pork. It's all browned together. And then you take, got my recipe here, I take a clove of garlic, and it's minced up. Or if you do like me, I've cheated a little. This stuff is amazing if you've never tried it before. It's Gourmet Garden, and so basically my my garlic is already minced for me. I cheat. So I've taken a clove of minced garlic, a teaspoon of ground ginger, and I have what else have I got in here? I've got 1/4 cup of soy sauce, and I'm going to add this to my mixture, and I will show you what this looks like. It's starting to sound good, so you can see. Hey everybody. Hey Craig Cruz, I see you there. Hi Kathy. So I'm mixing all this up together. So again, this is a pound of ground pork, and then I browned it, and then I put in a tablespoon of sesame oil and chopped up an onion, put that in there, browned it all together. And now what I've added is 1/4 cup of soy sauce, ground ginger, and garlic, a minced clove of garlic. Got all of that in there. And this, y'all, this is super simple. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my cabbage to this. Put this in here. Again, cabbage from the Dudash Farms garden. And my onions, by the way, let's see if I can do this without making a mess. My onions are compliments of Martin Farms. who, by the way, will be at the farmer's market with us tomorrow from 8 to noon. Let's cook this down a little. So, adding also 2 tablespoons of chicken broth to that there. So now that I have this all together, we're going to cook it for about 3 minutes. So all in all, this should only take about 20 minutes. That's pretty good. Let's see who we got watching. Y'all say hello and let me know you're here. I see Julianne is watching. Julianne, you better say hello. And happy anniversary, by the way. Today is Julianne Martin's anniversary, so happy anniversary. And we've got Paul Sanford. Hey, Paul. Thank you for saying hello. We're stirring this up. Did y'all see what I have in the background? I mean, we are having an Asian dish, right? So we're going to have a little sake with our keto egg roll in a bowl. So let me just kind of recap for everybody. This is what's for dinner at Dudash Farms. We're having keto egg roll in a bowl. I wish we had smell-o-vision because it smells amazing. Hey, you made something similar with beef. Yeah, we call it crack slaw. That's funny, Kathy. Kathy Rakavic is on here, and she, by the way, if you do not follow Tastefully Unrefined, you need to follow her page. She has some fantastic keto recipes, and they're amazing. But yeah, that was the A.K.A. for this recipe. They call it crack slaw, so I'm thinking it must be pretty good. So we're cooking this up. So keto egg roll in a bowl. I keep getting myself sidetracked. We have cooked, we have browned a pound of our ground pork, and then we added a tablespoon of sesame oil and a sliced onion. And once we browned that and cooked the onion a little bit, we added a fourth of a cup soy sauce, clove of garlic, minced clove of garlic, and a teaspoon of ginger, of ground ginger. We put all of that in there, cooked it up a little bit longer, and then we have now added all of our cabbage, and we put 2 tablespoons of chicken broth in there, and my gosh, y'all, this is looking really good. Kelly Campbell, hi Kelly, yes, happy Friday. I am so excited that we are at the weekend. I'm looking forward to the holiday. I know that we're still somewhat in quarantine, and we just need to take care of each other and be respectful, right? And let's enjoy our time together over the holiday as much as we can. We got Kim Bird watching. Dena Watkins, thank you for watching. Dena, I've already given you a shout out and thanked you for sending us this recipe. And I want to say to you guys, if you have a recipe, a great recipe, send it to us. We will try to do it on one of our What's for Dinner at Dudash Farms. We want to show you guys some neat things that you can fix, and maybe you're just running out of ideas. We've been cooking a lot at home lately. So, yeah, I think we're done. Y'all, this looks really amazing. But anyway, Dena works for the Shepard Inn, and they have reopened as of yesterday for lunch. And correct me if I'm wrong, Dena, you can make a comment in the comments section. But y'all go out and visit them. We've got Kristen Yeary watching. Y'all, thank you so much for watching this. Watching me like try to do my Julia Child thing. This is not my cup of tea, but I'm having fun anyway. So let me show you what this looks like. Taking it off the heat here. And I've got you set up so that I can do this without my hands. I don't want to take this off. All right, so take a look at this. It looks really yummy. This is crack slaw, or otherwise better known as keto egg roll in a bowl. And we're gonna put some of this over here. And then once you put it in your bowl, You all like my little Asian bowls here? Doesn't that look yummy? So we're going to put that in there. Brian is out feeding our pigs. He didn't want to be on this. He thinks I'm a nutbag, but you know, that's all right. I already know. So then we're going to take some green onion. We're going to garnish it. A little salt and pepper. And so let's put this over here so you can see what it looks like. Look at that. Doesn't that look yummy? So y'all, this is egg roll in a bowl. It does look delicious, Dena. I am so excited. I'm going to take a bite. I'm trying this for the first time myself. So let's see what we think here. Let's grab a bite. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's delicious. Hi, Carla. It is so good, y'all. I'm going to put this, I will put this little recipe on the Dudash Farms website. I wish you guys were here for dinner. It's delicious. Tastes really good. So again, let us know if you have a recipe that you would like for us to try. Tonight, we basically used our Dudash Farms ground pork. There's no seasoning in it, but you could do it with ground beef. You could do it with a mixture of ground pork and ground beef. And I think someone even said they've done it with like ground beef and sausage. So if you like Asian dishes, this is delicious. And, you know, it actually is better than an egg roll. It tastes, I mean, it's amazing. And the thing is, you don't have all that deep fried wonton or whatever. I mean, I love those, but you know, my hips don't really need all that part of it. So we'll eat all the healthy part. Hi, Paige. Julianne, I tell you what, y'all, thank you. You're just awesome. Let me know if there's a question you have about anything that we've got. We will be at the Dandridge Farmers Market tomorrow from 8 until noon. We've had a lot of pre-orders and it is going to be a crazy weekend, but we're excited about it. And gang, we've got some of the best vendors at our Dandridge Farmers Market. So come out and support your local farmers, support your community. We've got some of the best baked goods. Gosh. We've got these sweet little girls, the Finchams, that come out and sell eggs every week. They're adorable. We've got vegetables. There are lots more vegetables coming out now that we're getting farther in the season and it's warming up some. So come out and see us. Let's see who else we got. Amanda's watching. Oh, good, Carla. I'm looking forward to seeing you. Hey, Lisa. Y'all, keto egg roll in a bowl. What was it? Crack slaw. And I agree with that statement. It's very good. So, yeah, I think that's what we're going to have for dinner. And I think I'm going to heat up a little sake and pour a little glass. And hopefully I can get Brian in here from outside. He's feeding the pigs. I think he's really just trying to avoid this. Let's see. Tell us where the Dandridge Farmers Market is located. Wouldn't that be a great idea, Kelly? Kelly Campbell. She's just the smart one here. So if you're in Dandridge, it's on the corner of, this is horrible. See, I don't even know the real street address. But if you come to downtown Dandridge, there's Main Street, and I guess it's 92 or Market, I don't know. But it's right there on the corner of Main Street and whatever, 2570 maybe. But here's the deal. If you come to downtown Dandridge, it's not very big, and we are in a parking lot there, and we have yellow tents. So if you come to downtown Dandridge and you see the yellow tents, that is us, so stop. We're across the street from the drugstore there, Tinsley Bible. Great burgers, by the way. If you haven't had a Tinsley Bible burger, you need to go and have one of those too. Thank you, Karen. I don't feel like a natural. I think I'm more of a goofball than anything, and I agree to do things and that make me a nervous wreck, but you know, I just do it anyway. Let's see. Yes, I look forward to seeing y'all tomorrow. Yeah, we need, somebody said we need a bigger freezer. I have heard that so many times. We actually have had several people make a really big beef order and then realize they don't really have a freezer for it. And you can't find one right now, y'all. If you find a freezer, let us know and we'll get that word out. It's really crazy. But I have enjoyed this, and y'all send me the recipes that you have and I'll cook them up. I might make a big fool of myself, but that's all right. If y'all don't mind, I don't either. But thanks so much. And I will post this on our Dudash Farms website. And so, yeah, and I hope you have a great Memorial Day weekend. Let's remember, I mean, more now than ever, aren't we thankful for our freedoms and for those who make sure that we have our freedoms. So let's just spend time together and celebrate, and be careful and stay safe. And yeah, I'll see you next Friday. So we've changed it from Thursday to Friday. Now it's What's for Dinner at Dudash Farms on Friday evenings. We're going to call it Foodie Friday. And I'll see you tomorrow if you're coming to the market. Bye.